To draw a snowy owl, we are going to start with this, oh, what would you call that? It's kind of like a horseshoe shape, isn't it? A bit like that. There, and we're going to draw the, let's have some little kind of feathery things like that. And then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Those are going to be the claws that are sitting on a branch like that. Okay, and then we will want to have a tail. That's going to come down and down like that. And then here we're going to want to have two, sort of think of them as eyebrows, but they're not really. And then we're going to have circles underneath, and then we want to have nice pupils. So there, it's like a almost a circle, and then fill it almost in, but with little blobs. And then we want a little bit of a beak like that, and then do these little kind of dots either side there. And then we're going to want to have some little like clock marks up at the top, aren't they? And we'll have a wing there and a wing there. And then we're going to just draw lots and lots and lots and lots of feathers. So you want to get them, it's like laying bricks, isn't it? You want to put them opposite each other like that. So you have to take your time, get this right. And they want to be curved a bit as well. So they're not straight lines, they're kind of curvy. Like that. And a bit more here. This will drive you mad slowly, doing that. And then we'll have some lines coming down, which are the tail feathers. That's how you draw a snowy owl real easy. Thanks for watching and subscribing to Draw Stuff Real Easy so you can come back and do lots more drawing. Bye!